Hey, hi friends. Welcome back to Bhau-Automation Lab once again. And let's continue this session related to the extend reports. So in the previous session, we have created our simple Java project, Java program. And inside the Java program, we have created our extend reports and we have integrated our Selenium script related to our login to our website. Okay, in the same script, right? Now in this session, let's understand, for example, let's understand how to convert this test case this script or simple Java related script into our TestNG script. Okay, so let's start with the practical example. So first of all, let's go to our Chrome browser, and here let's search for my one dependency. And first of all, let's add our TestNG dependency in our Maven project. So let's search for TestNG. Okay, whatever latest dependency here, we just copy that one and add to our pom.xml file. Okay, like here, simple. I have already added. I'll still explain you. Okay, so 7.10.2, which is current latest dependency, which is I need to add in our project. So I have added that one. Let's format it. So now we have extend report, Selenium and TestNG, both three dependency in our pom.xml file. Okay, now let's go to our class again. Now here I will see you how to add the annotations, but as per the your project requirement, you can change it that one annotations. Okay. So first of all, let's convert this main method into the one test script. So let's remove this one and let's say public void. Let's say login user with valid username and let's say and password. Okay, so we have created converted this test and let's name it as a @test. Let's import this test from our TestNG annotation now. Okay, also add TestNG library as well if you required here. Otherwise, just import the TestNG annotations here. Okay, so let's import it on test and annotations here, and let's create one another annotation here. Public void. Let's say before. I'm creating before test. As per your project requirement, you can create whatever you required. Okay, in the framework, maybe we need to create extend report in before suite or anywhere. So as per your project requirement, you can create it. Let's say before, you can say test. Let's import this before test as well from our test engine annotation. Let's now copy this code to create a extend report. Remove from here completely. So your test will be start with the test case creation, right? And just import it here. Simple. Now, this is the extend dot plus, right? So here we can add public void, let's say after test. Okay, and just come take this extend report plus from here and add this here @after test. We can define like this and simply add test engine library as well and import this after test. So I'll just copy this from here. Okay, just remove this. Okay, and let's import this here. Import org.test after test. Simple. So this error gone, right? So Control Shift format it and save it. So here we have added three annotations after test, okay, before test, and this is our simple test. Okay, you can add before method, after method, whatever required as per your current framework. But just I want to explain you how to convert this into the TestNG format. Okay, now we can create a TestNG file for this. Go to the TestNG and convert it to the TestNG. Okay, I'm creating simple TestNG file for this. This is our simple TestNG XML. Okay, you can name it as a login test in extend report. This is our simple TestNG file created. And now if I run this program, uh, if I run it through the for example, with our Java project, okay, it's only printing the console. But when we run this with the TestNG annotation, there is a like a formatted way will print into the console. Okay, the systematic way will console will get printed here when we run the program with the TestNG annotation. Okay, it's login successful, and we can see here test one pass, failure 0, skip 0, test total run 1, and in the run result you can see the login test pass successfully, all this path and everything, right? So this is the summary of the uh, our like test ng report and all those things. Okay, and here also it's a better way to print our console output. So this is the benefit of integrating our test script in the using testng. Okay, and let's say when we go to the test report, here we have emailable report as well with TestNG, because we have run this using TestNG. So I'll just open this that report as well. Okay, so this is not that much formatted report, so that's the reason we have created our extend report. Okay, so simple. This is how to convert your like extend report into the TestNG format. Also, we have seen here, we can add some information in our extend report as well. For example, if I open this report, we have to show the client like on the which browser version this script is run, which operating system this script is run, like, and lots of information like which Java version we have used. So that all this info, we can add that info here in the to create in automatically in the extend report. So whenever you deploy this project on any machine, it will automatically capture that Java version, operating system, and the IP address of this machine, like QA environment, everything, and it will print in your report to show the client, yeah, on which exactly OS version, operating system, and like Java version our script get executed. Okay, so how to add that? To simple, here we can implement that using that extend report report only. So just type here like a extend dot. Okay, here like lots of option, right? So we have to create a option like a set info. Okay, set system info. So here we have to pass in the set system info, we can pass operating system. Okay, and inside that let's pass like system dot. Okay, dynamic to get it dynamically, get property, and in this get property method, let's pass this only like os dot name. Okay, so it will automatically take your system operating system name. Okay, you don't need to pass this hard coded, as if you pass this hard coded value. Okay, and I'm currently running it this project on the like Windows machine, and if you deploy it on the any another Linux machine or a Mac machine, it will not get it. So if you not you can't pass it like a hard coded like this, like lots of people I have seen like pass the value like this, Windows 10. So when we deploy this project on the another machine, it will there also it will print like a the this particular script is run on that Windows machine only. If it is run on Mac, so that it should not be hard coded. Get is as a runtime. So next you need to pass as a username, right? So here let's say pass username underscore name, and here let's just pass like a user dot name. Okay, so this is automatically generating your getting the information about your username of your machine. Here we need to pass like a Java version. So let's type Java version. Okay, and here just type like a Java dot version. Okay, and next time let's again paste it the same code, paste that same code, and let's type Java runtime version. Current system operating system version and Java runtime version, both we need to like sprint. So let's type Java runtime version, and here we can just type Java dot runtime dot, let's say, version. Okay, it's very case sensitive, guys. Don't do any spelling mistake or anything. Just copy the same line again, and here extend dot add. We have added Java runtime version as well. Okay, now let's add Selenium version. Okay, this should be hard coded value because we have defined that Selenium version in our pom.xml file, right? 4.25.0. So we have to define in the same way, like 4.25.0. This is our current version. Also, we need to define as a browser as a hard coded value. Let's define here like a browser, because we are running on Chrome only. Here define, so we can define here like a Chrome. Okay, now let's get host name. It's totally like optional. Whatever thing we are defining here now, it's totally option. If your client asking the detail, all these details, then you only need to define this one. Okay, so if you want to define architecture as well, on which like 64-bit or 86-bit operating system this particular script is like executed, so we can define like a architecture as well. Okay, in the architecture we can define like a system.get property. Inside that os.arch, right? Architect. Then again just print this, paste this one simple. And let's say you want to define host name as well, so we can type like a host name, and here just type like a system.get property. Inside that we need to pass this system.get property. Now we can define the host name using internet. Let's say internet int address, int address uh, dot get host, get localhost or host, get localhost dot get host name. Okay, and the same way we need to get host address as well, host address. Okay, now if you want to define time zone as well, which time zone this script is running. If your client is outside from any other country, we can define that time zone as well. So to define the time zone, we can simply type here like a zone id, zone id. Okay, dot system default dot we need to convert it to string. Okay, and the last one, let's say system dot, this is the host name, then this is the IP address. You can define like a IP address sys. Okay, and then host, after that time zone, this one is the time zone, zone. And let's say this one is application, let's say version. On particular version, if you are like working, okay, so you can define that hard coded value here. For example, if you are running any app build or anything, so that particular version, okay, versions get updated out, right, one by one. So you can define that version like for 1.0 dot like 2, next time it will be 3, next time 4. So client can understand which version this particular code is executed in the uh, in website. For that also there is a version defines, so you can define the versions there. If there is a any version is defined in your particular project. Okay, so you can define that version name here. And environment, you need to define like in which environment it's running our script, this script is executed. For example, this is executed in QA environment. Sometimes it will executed in production environment, or it will executed live environment or production environment. Whatever stage environment, whatever environment you have executed, we are executing QA, so I have defined here a QA. So this way we can define the all the information runtime, okay, not hard coded in the system. So currently we have nothing like to display here. For example, if I open the report, so here there is nothing information is displayed, right? If I run this program, you can see the all information related to your like script and execution flow. It will get uh, display in our automation report now. Let's open it. It's running successfully, and let's define it. Here is, so here is the steps and everything. And if I open the dashboard, you can see here the all the things will get display here, like values. Operating system is Windows 10, name on user computer, Bhau Faraday, architecture 64-bit, and host name is this the desktop, and this IP address of my machine, and it's executed on Asia, Kolkata zone, and application version is this, and environment is Kiwi. So that our your client will get understand easily. This is the execution flow, right? This is the dark theme you can explain. So this is how to convert your extend report in the TestNG format, and also add our system information in the extend report. Okay. If you have any doubt related to this, you can simply comment out me. I will give the all answer related to this. Okay. Do all this concept practically, guys, so that you can understand this concept more easily. Okay. So let's meet in next chapter with more interesting concept related to the automation. Till time, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.